How to get YouTube Shorts on homepage. To get YouTube Shorts on your homepage, first of all, you simply have to go ahead and then log into the YouTube Studio desktop on your computer and open the customization tab. From there, you have to go to the Go Featured sections and then tap the plus add section, and you simply have to reposition this cell and click publish. Or if you are simply viewing and you do not or you cannot find the shorts on your main home feed, you simply have to wait out the 30-day snooze or try to clear your cache of the application by going or opening the app drawer, search for YouTube application, long press it, tap on this I option to access the app info panel, scroll down and head to storage and cache, then proceed to remove cache and relaunch it, and your problem should be fixed. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.